Hello everyone, this is class 7th chemistry. Today we will start new lesson number 2, physical and chemical changes. See beta, our nature is made up of changes. Everyone and everything require changes to proceed further. Right? So let's start. Changes are an integral part of nature. They take place every moment around us. Everywhere you will watch the changes. Like even in your body, even in yourself, you are not same from your childhood to up to now. You are not same. There are lot of changes that occurs in your body and even in your height, your way of talking, your way of eating, everything get changed, right? Even the plants, they start growing from a seed to become seedling and then to a big plant tree, right? So common examples are the melting of ice is a change. Ice was solid first. When it get melted, it become liquid. Freezing of water, water was liquid first, but when it get freeze, it becomes solid. Ripening of fruit is also a change. Digestion of food, growth of plants and animals, everything is a change. Next is types of changes. Changes are classified in various ways. First one is reversible and irreversible changes. As the name shows, reversible. What is reversible? Yes, you know the answer. Reversible things that can be reversed to the original condition. Means, for example, if I'm talk about ice and water. When I will freeze the water, it become ice, but when I melt the ice, it becomes water. So this is a reversible process, right? If I heat the water, it become water vapors, but if I just cool the vapors, it becomes water. So this is a reversible process. Means जिस चीज़ को आप वापस से वैसा ही बना सकते हो, जिसकी कंडीशंस आप रिवर्स कर सकते हो, दैट इज़ अ रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. बट the condition that the process in which you can't reverse the conditions, you can't bring the original conditions back, that is called irreversible process. For example, curdling of milk. आप क्या करते हो? मिल्क से कर्ड बनाते हो, मिल्क टू कर्ड, but from curd to milk cannot be possible. Getting milk to curd is possible, right? If you think that from curd you will make the milk again, it is not possible. So it's a irreversible process. Okay, next, a change is said to be reversible when the opposite change can be brought about by reversing the condition. That is called reversible. Ice melts on being heated and water freezes on being cooled. Thus, the change of ice into water and water to ice are reversible. I told you, right? So are the vaporization of water and the condensation of the water vapor. आपको ये भी पता चल गया ना, मैंने बताया आपको कि अगर आप वाटर को, इफ़ यू हीट द वाटर, सो वाटर विल चेंज टू वाटर वेपर्स, एंड इफ़ यू कंडेंस मीन्स कूल. Condensation, you know the process of condensation, that cooling down of water vapors is called condensation, and you will get the if you condense the water vapors, you will get water again, right? In fact, all the changes in state of matter are reversible. All the changes in the state of matter are reversible. So are changes like the glowing of an electric heater. Next example, first example उसने water के लिए, this is the second example. Changes like glowing of electric heater. When we switch on the electric heater, it glow and get heated on, right? But let's start the continue the reading. The electric bulb and the heating of electric iron or a heater. The bulb's glow vanishes. जब आप स्विच ऑफ कर देते हो तो बल्ब की जो ग्लो है क्या हो जाती है? वैनिश हो जाती है. And the iron or the heater cools after some time, not at the same time when you switch off the your electric iron or electric heater, but after some time you will observe that it will get cool when the electric current is switched off. So a change is set to next topic will get started from here. This was the reversible, and he has given you two examples of reversible, and the next one is irreversible. A change is said to be irreversible when opposite change cannot be brought about by reversing the conditions. So in this process we can't reverse the conditions, so that's why it is called irreversible. For example, milk can be changed into curd, but curd cannot be changed back to the milk. On being heated, sugar get charred. मीन्स जब आप शुगर को हीट करते हो तो थोड़ा वो उसका ब्लैक ब्लैक सा वो आप देखोगे कि आपका जो कंटेनर है जिसमें आपने शुगर को हीट करा है वहाँ पे एक ब्लैक सा मास जो है वो मीन्स ऑब्टेन हो जाता है. इट फॉर्म्स अ ब्लैक मास, बट इफ़ यू कूल चार्ड शुगर, अगर आप उसको कूल करते हो सो इट विल नॉट गेट बैक टू द ओरिजिनल फॉर्म ऑफ द शुगर, राइट. So the curdling of milk and the charring of sugar are the irreversible changes, right? The other common examples of irreversible, बेटा बहुत सारी examples हैं. आप अगर अपने इर्द गिर्द काउंट करने बैठ जाओगे ना, there are lot of examples that are irreversible. On the other hand, changes are on burning of coal. When you burn the coal, it will become it cannot be it cannot be reversible. आप उसको वापस से ओरिजिनल वुड जैसा नहीं बना सकते हो. बर्निंग ऑफ वुड, बर्निंग ऑफ पेपर, पेपर को बर्न करा यू विल गेट ऐश, ऐश से वापस से पेपर नहीं बनेगा. कैरोसिन को बर्न करा वापस से ऑयल आपको नहीं मिलेगा, राइट. फोटोसिंथेसिस इन प्लांट्स, प्लांट्स ने जो फोटोसिंथेसिस कर लिया, यू कांट रिवर्स दैट. द डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड इन आवर बॉडी, जो हमने खाना डाइजेस्ट करा, इट कैन नॉट बैक टू द ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. एंड द क्लोटिंग ऑफ ब्लड एंड द ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स एंड इवन ग्रोथ ऑफ योर बॉडी, यू कांट गेट बैक चेंज टू योर चाइल्डहुड सिचुएशन. नॉट सिचुएशन लाइक जैसे आप अभी हो, आप वापस से अपने आप को चेंज नहीं कर सकते बचपन की तरह कि आप जैसे वहाँ पे दिख रहे थे जब आप छोटे थे, आप वैसे चेंज नहीं हो सकते हो. सो इट्स अ इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस, राइट. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन आर द डिजायरेबल एंड अनडिजायरेबल चेंजेस. सम चेंजेस दैट आर यूजफुल टू अस obviously that are called desirable. For example, ripening of fruits, growth in the living beings, and changes involved in the cooking. Everything is desirable. We like these kind of changes. सो दीज आर डिज़ायरेबल. बट जो चीज़ें हमें पसंद नहीं आती, जिनके साथ हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, दैट आर अनडिज़ायरेबल ऑब्वियसली ना. ऑन द अदर हैंड सम चेंजेस आर हार्मफुल एंड देयरफॉर अनडिज़ायरेबल. फॉर एग्जांपल, रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन. Getting rusting of iron is a chemical change. It's an irreversible change. And spoiling of food, earthquakes, cyclones, and volcanic eruptions, and some examples of undesirable changes that cause damage on a massive scale. जिनके साथ जो harmful होते हैं that are undesirable, जो हमारे लिए अच्छे होते हैं that are desirable changes. So next we will do in next video. Thank you.